Welcome to another enlightening episode of the healing power of nature. Today we dive deep into the enchanting world of mint, an herb revered not just for its delightful flavor, but for its remarkable health benefits. Mint, scientifically known as mentha, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, cherished across cultures for its soothing properties and refreshing essence. This vibrant herb possesses a multitude of benefits that can transform your well-being. Its well-known ability to ease digestive troubles is invaluable, providing a cooling relief that is both immediate and comforting. Mint is also a natural remedy for headaches. The invigorating scent can melt away tension and usher in clarity. Moreover, with its rich array of antioxidants and essential oils, particularly menthol, mint works wonders in reducing inflammation and alleviating respiratory discomfort. Incorporating mint into your daily routine is both simple and enjoyable. It can be brewed into a calming tea, applied in soothing salves, or diffused in aromatherapy to create a fresh and uplifting environment. Accessible from your garden, this versatile herb can be enjoyed both fresh and dried. Let mint be your guide on a journey towards improved health and vitality. As we explore the vast landscape of natural remedies, remember to embrace what nature offers. Don't forget to engage with this content by liking, sharing with friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insights. Thank you for joining us today in celebrating the healing power of mint.